So it is chord of contact. So suppose that we have a parabola, and from outside point we can drop down two tangents. So these two tangent intersect at the point A and B, suppose. So A and B. So this AB is chord of contact. So suppose that if you want to write down equation of chord of contact, chord of contact. Okay, we did this thing in circle, we are doing this thing in parabola, we will do the same thing in ellipse and hyperbola as well, and it's same. How we used to do? T equals to 0, done. So you know that we will be facing 2-degree curve where we will have x square, so x square will be transformed as x1, y square will be transformed as y1, xy will be transformed as xy1, x1, y. This x1, y1 is the point, okay. Now x will be transformed as x plus x1 by 2. Y will be transformed as y plus y1 by 2. C will remain C only, okay. I hope the idea is clear.